Welcome back to the ultimate Ute Upfit. If you've been following along, you'll know that this is a build series dedicated to building the ultimate Ute Upfit that one lucky winner will have fitted to their ute for free. So today, we're covering the heart of off-road performance: wheels, tyres and suspension. As we know, once you fit up a canopy, drawers and all the goodies you need to make an adventure a success, making sure that your vehicle is set up to handle that weight is essential. So we've partnered with Tough Dog for their suspension, ROH Wheels and Maxxis Tyres. Let's take a look at the setup. If you're serious about transforming the performance of your vehicle off-road, then you need to invest in a serious suspension setup. We've gone for the Tough Dog suspension. Upgrading your suspension is essential for improving your vehicle's carrying capacity for extra weight or improving its ability to tow. If you get it right, it improves the ride quality, load balance and braking performance. And it also helps to prevent the seesaw effect, which is when you have extra weight over the rear axle. Now, depending on your vehicle model, you can either go for the foam cell shocks and 500 kg leaf springs, and you'll get improved ground clearance for bigger tyres, balanced ride and handling, even under heavy loads, and superior off-road performance. But if your vehicle has the ability to take the TDR Pro series, this is a game changer. It's a remote reservoir system and really transforms the way your vehicle performs off-road. Tough Dog is premium product and it's engineered in Australia with full factory level design, R&D and quality checks. Nothing is off the shelf and every unit is tested before leaving the line. To really set the look of this build off, we've installed the ROH Assault alloy wheels. This beautiful bronze finish with a rugged design for off-road strength. Now, upgrading your wheels is more than just aesthetics. In this case, it's allowing us to support heavy loads and aggressive terrain use. Dropping down to a 17-inch has also allowed us to install larger tyres for the ultimate off-road performance. To allow us to go anywhere, we've installed the Maxxis Razor mud tyres. These have an aggressive mud terrain tread for traction in extreme conditions. And the sidewall armour protects against punches and also provides a bit of extra grip in a rutted track. These have been optimised for off-road performance while maintaining on-road handling. They've been designed to eject mud with deep centre blocks and also optimised for a wide range of inflation pressures. This means you can pump up for on the road and drop down for low pressure off-road. So with this setup, this Ranger is now capable of tackling heavy loads, rough terrain and off-road adventures with confidence. Now in the next episode, we're going to be covering the electrical setup. So this is what's going to be powering this entire setup for a successful trip off the grid. Stay tuned until next time.